The San Miguel Arcangel Parish Church, commonly referred to as Orion Church, is a 19th-century Baroque church located at Brgy, San Vicente, Orion, Bataan, Philippines. The parish church, dedicated to Saint Michael, the Archangel, is under the jurisdiction of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Balanga. A marker bearing the brief history of the structure has been installed in its façade by the National Historical Committee, precursor of the National Historical Commission of the Philippines. Parish and architectural history. Orion was established by the Dominican priests on April 30, 1667. The present-day 19th-century church was built by Father Jose Campomanes after an earthquake in 1852 which destroyed the previous structure. Architecture and ornamentation. Exterior. The church facade is of barn-style Baroque, a style that has been described as typically found in most Spanish-era churches in the Philippines. It features side pillars capped by urn-like finials, pilasters that divide the facade into 5 segments, and cornices that divide the expanse of the wall into 2 levels. The pediment is semi-arched and ends into 2 small volutes before tapering down to the sides. It is adorned by a framed saint's niche flanked by 2 hexagonal windows. A concrete porte-cochere has been added later into the structure. To the left of the church rises the 4-level, slender belfry. The 2 uppermost levels are octagonal and are pierced with rectangular, circular, and semicircular arched campanile windows. Interior. The main altarpiece or retableau, which was done in the early 18th century, is done in Rococo style. See also: Roman Catholicism in the Philippines, Roman Catholic Diocese of Balanga, Balanga Cathedral. References. External links. Media related to St. Michael the Archangel Parish Church of Orion at Wikimedia Commons. Official website of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Balanga.